Good morning student. Chapter number 8, Human Health and Disease. Today topic discuss immunity. First, what is immunity? Definition. Every day we are exposed a large number of infections agent. However, only a few of these exposure result in disease. Why? This is due to the fact that body is able to defend itself from the most of these foreign agents. This overall ability of the host to fight the disease causing organism confirmed for the immune system is called immunity. Immunity is depend on the immune system to the host to fight to foreign agent. Immunity of two types. First, innate immunity, and second, acquired immunity. Innate immunity is a four types. Today discuss innate immunity. Innate immunity is a non-specific type of defense that is present at the time of birth. Innate immunity is a present only time of birth. Parents to progeny transfer from this innate immunity. This accomplished by providing different types of barriers entry to the foreign agent in our body. Innate immunity of four types of barrier. First, barriers. Physical barrier. Second, physiological barrier. Third, cellular barrier. And fourth, cytokine barrier. Most important question for 2 months. Innate immunity. First, physical barrier. Skin on our body is main barrier which prevents entry of the microorganism. Skin is a carrier part of the entry of microorganism. Mucous coating of the epithelium. Mucous means this upper layer it is a mucous layer. Mucous coating of the epithelium lining the respiratory, gastrointestinal and urinary tract helps in trapping of microbes entering our body. Physical barrier means skin on our body, main barrier prevents entry of microorganism, and mucous coating of the epithelium lining the respiratory, gastrointestinal, urinary tract and also help in trapping microbes entering our body. Physiological barrier means acid in the stomach, most probably storage acid in stomach, saliva in the mouth. Tears from eyes all prevent microbial growth. This is a physiological barrier carrier from the tears or eyes for microbial growth. Third, cellular barriers. Certain cells such as WBC. WBC means white blood cells. It is a one type of leukocyte of our body, like PMNL, full form of PMNL in NEET Gujket MCQS or regular 12 science board MCQS, short form of PMNL. PMNL means polymorpho nuclear leukocyte. It is a one type of neutrophils. WBC means leukocyte. PMNL means polymorpho nuclear leukocyte. Monocyte and natural killer for lymphocyte. Certain types of cellular barriers. First, WBC means leukocyte of our body. Leukocyte our body like PMNL. Neutrophils means polymorphonuclear leukocyte, and monocyte and natural killer type of lymphocyte in the blood as well as macrophage. Macrophage is a one type of phagocytosis of cells in tissue, can phagocytose and destroy of the microbes. And last barrier, fourth, it is a cytokine barrier. Virus is infected from this cell. Virus is infected from this cell, secrete proteins called interferon. Protein secreted from this virus is called interferon. Interferon which protect non-infected cell from further viral infections. Clear? First definition of immunity. Immunity means due to fact that body is able to defend itself from most of these foreign agent, this overall of this ability to host to fight this disease causing organism confirmed from the immune system is called immunity. Immunity is a two types, first innate immunity and second acquired immunity. Today lecture discuss innate immunity, four types barrier, first physical barrier, second physiological barrier, third cellular barrier and fourth cytokine barrier. Physical barrier means skin on our body. Physiological barrier, acid in the stomach of this mouth for tears and eyes. Cellular barriers from this cell, WBC, PMNL, monocyte and natural killer lymphocyte and macrophage, and cytokine barrier for this interferon. Thank you student. Next lecture discuss for acquired immunity.